Good morning students of class 6. Today is part 10 of exercise 1.2. In previous classes we have studied about exercise 1.2, some word problems like subtraction and additions, okay? And in today's class I tell you question number 2 of exercise 1.2, okay? The question is to make exactly 9 crore, what number should be added to the sum of 78 lakh 35,634 and 2 crore 24 lakh 48,453. Okay students, this is your second question of exercise 1.2, how you solve this type of questions. Okay, so I tell you, first of all read this question 2 and 3 times, that what will be saying that what number should be added to the sum of 78 lakh 35,634 and 2 crore 24 lakh 48,453. Okay, so first of all look here student, sum of, okay, so first of all we do the sum of these both numbers, okay, sum of both numbers. So here we write sum of okay, you can write here as like the first number is that and second number is that, then sum of both numbers also. Okay, so here I write okay, and second one number is 2 crore 24 lakh 48,453. Okay students, so you can add the both numbers. How you add the both numbers? So the addition of, okay, so roughly you can do this type of questions as like that, plus you can write the smaller one digit here, okay, and add. First of all we add 3 plus 4 7, 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 4 10, 1 carry, 8 plus 5 13 and 1 14, 4 plus 3 7 and 1 8, okay, and 4 plus 8 12, 1 carry, 7 plus 2 9 and 1 10, okay, and 2 plus 1 3. Our answer is 3 crore 2 lakh 84,087. Okay, what is our answer? 3 crore 2 lakh 84,087. Okay, then this is the sum of both numbers, first number and second number. Then our question is remaining that to make exactly 9 crore, what number should be added? Okay, so next step is we write here exactly make number is equals to 9 crore. Okay students, first step we do the sum of both numbers. Here you write here, your first step is this, okay, sum of both numbers. You can do here that first number is 78 lakh 35,634 and second one number is 2 crore 24 lakh 48,453. okay, then the sum of both numbers, so you do here sum of both numbers. Okay, then your next step will be you write the exactly make numbers. How exactly make numbers, how many make numbers that 9 crore, how we write 9 crore? Students, always we remember crore have 7 zeros, crore have 7 zeros. Okay, so I write here 7 zeros. Students, in Indian number you have studied about that how we write the Indian and international numbers. So I write 9 crore in I write these numbers in Indian numbers. Okay, how we make zeros for Indian numbers. Okay, so don't be confused, this is 9 crore, sorry, 9 crore, not 7 crore. Okay, 9 crore. Now our question is depending as the to make exactly 9 crore, we have to make 9 crore of the sum of both numbers. Okay, the sum of both numbers is 3 lakh 3 crore 2 lakh 84,087. To make this number 9 crore, how we do here? We do subtraction or addition? To make 9 crore, to make this number to 9 crore, how we do steps? Okay, so here we do subtraction. Here we do subtraction. What will we do? Subtraction. We do 9 crore subtracted. We can do here 3 crore 2 lakh 84,087 from 9 crore. Okay, we have subtracted, then the answer is R here. Okay, so in next step we do subtraction. Okay, so here I write here that 9 crore minus 3 crore 2 lakh 84,087. Okay, then our answer will be here when we subtracted the both digits here. So here student, I will subtracted that. If you have any problem, I will rub here and show here to subtract. Student, this is your roughly work. Okay, to $84,087. Okay, student, don't be confused how we add and subtract the digits. You have in 6th class, so you easily do this type of questions. Okay, so don't be have panic, students. Here I subtract the digit that 0 is smaller than 7, so we can't subtract it by 0, so we use 9 minus 7 3 10 minus 7 3. Okay, and then becomes 9, then 9 minus 8 1, then 9, then 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 0 9, and 8 minus 3 5. Student, this is your answer, 5 crore 97 lakh 15,913. Okay, so your answer is 5 crore 97 lakh 15,913. Okay, so you here, this one is your answer. Okay students, so to make exactly 9 number, what number will be should be to add to the sum of these numbers? Okay, the question is as like, so you write here to make exactly 9 number, this number will be added here. Okay, so this is your answer. Here you write answer. Okay students, very easy questions here to make this question. First of all, you do the sum of the both numbers. First of all, you write here the first number is this one, and 78 lakh 35,634. Then second one number is 2 crore 24 lakh 48,453, and the sum of the both numbers will be here. Then next step, to make exactly 9 crore, we have to subtract it, then subtract, and this one your answer. This is your question second of exercise 1.2. okay students, this you can do here another type of questions also, so do. Okay students, this is very simple, you can. Okay student, this is your question second. I tell you question third also. Third is also very simple question, so don't be panic students. Your third question is, okay, your third question is of exercise 1.3. Find the difference between largest 6-digit number and smallest digit number and find the sum of two numbers. Okay, find the sum of two numbers. Okay students, this is your question number 3 of exercise 1.2. Find the difference between largest 6-digit number and smallest 8-digit number and find the sum of two numbers. Okay, first of all student, we do here which difference. What is the meaning of difference? Difference means that subtraction. Okay, we have this as like 3 and 2. What is the difference between 3 and 2? So we can say that 1. Okay, so first of all we write here to solve this question. Largest 6-digit number as, which one is the largest 6-digit number? 9. Okay, 6 times 9 is the largest 6-digit number and smallest 8-digit number. Then don't be confused here which one is the largest 6-digit number and the smallest 8-digit number. Very simple questions here, so don't be panic. Okay, here that means the smallest 8-digit number. Which one is the smallest 8-digit number? So we know that if we have know that smallest 3-digit number, so we say that 100. Okay, smallest 3-digit number is 100, so easily say that the smallest 8-digit number. So here 8-digit number is okay, 8-digit number. Smallest 8-digit number is 1. Here you can write here 7 zeros means 1 crore. Okay, smallest 8-digit number is 1 crore. Find the difference between the largest 6-digit and smallest 8-digit number. What is the difference between? So we write here that difference between very simple question between both numbers. Okay, students, don't be panic. Always be careful that what will be the word problem saying and what will be you do in these questions. Okay, so you can easily do these type of questions. Okay, so first of all, in your given questions will be right here, given things will be right in questions, in solving questions, then you can do easily step by steps. So both numbers will be, we can subtraction. Here I do here subtraction. Here I write 1 crore, then I write 9,99,999. So 9,99,999. Difference between means subtraction mode. So 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0, 0 0 0, then it becomes. Students, always be careful that what is the means of these type of questions. Okay, so always be careful how we do these type of questions in our basic knowledge. Okay, subtraction mode, here the subtraction is as like this way. So students, okay, so this is your answer, the difference between the both numbers. Okay, what is the difference between the both numbers? Indian numbers you have seen that what will number will be, you say that 90 lakh 1. Okay, what will be say that? We say that this one is 90 lakh, okay, and 1. Okay, 90 lakh 1. Okay, your answer is this. Okay, what difference between both numbers? Your questions will be as like the find the difference between largest 6-digit and smallest 8-digit number. Find the sum of two numbers. How you can do these type of questions? Okay, students, look carefully. First of all, you write the given numbers, then you can do your difference between. Then here the sum of two numbers also. Then what is the sum of two numbers? Two numbers sum means here you write the sum of two numbers. Next step will be sum of two numbers, sum of two numbers is equals to both numbers. You have to add both numbers. Okay, you have to add both numbers. Then you can write here sum of both number 1 crore plus 9,99,999. You have to add this, then your answer is, okay, your answer will be 1 crore 9,99,999. In this question, you here students, you can write here hence the sum of two numbers, hence the difference between. Okay, you can easily write here also. Always be remember students, first of all you write the given digits in your given questions. Okay, then you can do here subtraction and additions. Okay, so in this question you have two answers, first one this and first one this. Okay, so students, in today's class I tell you two questions of exercise 1.2, 2 and 3. So this is your today's homework. You can practice at home in rough notebook, then you can do in your fair notebook. Okay, your today's homework is solve this type of questions of exercise 1.2 in your fair notebook. Okay students, so don't be panic how you can do here this type of questions, solve this type of question. Today I tell you two types of questions. Okay, so this type of question of exercise 1.2 in your fair notebook. Okay, thank you.
For more updates, search on YouTube RP Dular Shikshan Sansthan. Please subscribe the channel and press bell icon.